Nature is my God. No church or confession, the universe it calls me to ascension. So don't tell me who to be with your Christianity. I'd rather burn in hell than cater to your animosity. The trees, they hold me close and decompose my woes, and all of my fears are taken by the river of tears. And I know you might think I'm a little whoa, but at least I know who I am, and I'm not controlled by some man. Is there a way for us to be peace? Religions and guns, they are deceased. Just like the moon and the sun, we are one, sharing a home with freedom to roam. Nature is my source, no church, just connection. And it hurts that we have